Once inside of a budget, at the top, click the Find button. The Find tab will display on the right-hand side. First, use the drop-down to select the type of detail line you are looking for. In this example, we will find Globals. Then, on the next line, key in what you wish to find. We will key in SSH. Suggestions will appear below this field as you type. Results matching the entered criteria will appear in the screen below, listing the corresponding account and column name. Click on the plus sign to explore any of these results. You can then click the arrow to see where this item appears in your budget. To replace any of these results, click the checkboxes next to each item you wish to replace. If you want to replace all items, click the checkbox at the top of the table. Click in the Replace With field and key in your replacement. Suggestions will appear below this field as you type. Once you have selected the desired replacement, click the Replace button. Replacements will be made throughout your budget for the selected items. Once items have been replaced, they will be removed from the listed results as they no longer match the entered criteria. Note that you can also use this screen to remove any of the results from your budget. You can do so by selecting the desired checkbox or boxes and clicking the Remove button. And that's Find and Replace in Movie Magic Budgeting. Thanks for watching.